Hi everyone, welcome back to Wonders of His Word. I hope you're all doing good. Today I want to share with you from Genesis chapter 22 verse 14. Here it says, "And Abraham called the name of that place Jehovah Jireh, the Lord will provide. And to this day it is said that on the mountain of the Lord it will be provided." Now this is a well-known story how God asks Abraham to sacrifice his only son Isaac. And when Abraham goes up on that mountain and he is about to kill his son, there comes a sound from heaven and the angel says that don't lay your hands on him. We all know how God provided a ram to Abraham that he could sacrifice instead of his son. And at the end, everything worked out well. Everything happened for the good. And God was very pleased with Abraham and his faith. That is why here Abraham calls the name of that place Jehovah Jireh, saying that the Lord will provide. We all know that in the mount of the Lord it was provided. But when Abraham started his journey, when he started climbing the mountain, he was full of heartache. That was not an easy decision. He must have been hurting, but he still chose to obey God. He took that first step of obedience. And that is why when he reached the top of the mountain, he witnessed Jehovah Jireh. The hand of God was revealed to him. The nature of God was revealed to him. And that is why he says Jehovah Jireh. That word means that the Lord sees or the Lord will provide. So even though everything worked out for his good in the beginning of the journey, when he had to climb up that mountain, it was not easy for Abraham, but God saw him. God knew that it was difficult for him, and God was the only one who knew how it would end up. He was testing Abraham. Even today, whatever journey we are going on, whatever our climb looks like, whether it is filled with heartache, whether it is filled with hardship, maybe the path of our ministry is difficult. Maybe we are thinking, when I reach the top, will it really be worth it? Is it worth it to work so hard and move forward in this climb? Because it seems difficult now. And sometimes we just want to give up because the climb seems so tough. But here we see that God, our God, Jehovah Jireh, was a God who sees, and He is a God who will provide, just like He did for Abraham. That is why Abraham called him Jehovah Jireh. And even today it is said, on the mountain of the Lord it will be provided. So in the middle of our climb, God will give us the strength we need. He will give us the resources we need. He will be our strength and our support. He is a God who sees us even in the climb. He is a God who values the decision we take. Even when we don't know how it is going to work out, even when we don't know whether it will be worth it, we still know that our God is faithful. So when we choose to obey Him like Abraham and we decide to stick on, to hold on, even in the middle of the most difficult climb, that is when we will witness the nature of God. He will reveal to us how He truly is Jehovah Jireh, a God who will provide, a God who sees us and sees everything that we do for Him. He sees our faith. He sees our obedience. Even if your climb seems difficult today, I promise you that God is watching you. He sees every sacrifice you are making for Him, and He will reveal Himself to you. He will give you the strength, and He will reward you for your faith. So today, even if we don't see Jehovah Jireh right now, even if right now we are not able to testify that the Lord will provide, if we hold on to Him and if we obey Him, He will definitely come through for us. I hope this message has blessed you. Make sure you like and share, and I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless you.